Hi, this is Josie in Josie's Fun Kitchen, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to take some chicken breasts and add it to a sweet and spicy using Siracha sauce and some honey. So you got the sweetness and the spiciness. And then I'm going to top it off with some sesame seeds. So before I move on, I'm going to go and cut this chicken, but I want you to subscribe and turn those notifications on. You can see the buttons below. And also, I have a printable version of the recipe. So if you like how this comes out, print it out, try it, and let me know how it comes out. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm gonna walk you through what I'm doing here. I have paprika and some kosher salt. Sprinkle it on to the chicken. Mix it together so it coats all the chicken. Okay, let's just move that to the side right here. Then I'm going to move this here. And I have, in this mixture over here is a teaspoon of, I'm going to use ginger, dry garlic, and some paprika. And we're going to use, I have a half a cup. Again, the recipe's below. I like to sift the flour. And this is a half a cup, a half a cup of cornmeal. Mix that in there. I have 3/4 of a cup of light olive oil. Heat that up to medium-high heat till it's nice and hot and ready to fry up the chicken. Here's the chicken, it's ready, it's covered, coated. Just drop it in here. This is where you get your hands, a little dirty. You want to make sure it's coated. All right, you can see that it's all covered. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to start melting that. Get that melted, and we're going to add this sauce into it and combine that. All right. Shake off any excess flour. Place it in. Remember, place it back away from you so it doesn't splatter. Here we go. We're going to fry this up till it's golden brown. I don't like to crowd it too much. Ooh. While that's frying up, the butter has melted, and we're going to take, I like a lot of sauce. So the recipe that I have written is half of this. I doubled it. So I'm using a cup. You use either a half a cup to a cup, your choice, of Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce, the Siracha, and honey. Bring that up to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, the next step is we're going to put the chicken back in the pan. Take this barbecue sauce and pour it in. On the low, bring it up to a simmer for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Coat this chicken. Oh, look at that. Okay, a couple minutes and then we're going to plate up. I made some rice. I used jasmine rice on this. And let's do a little taste test. I put a little on here. 3 pieces, I guess. But I like to drizzle some green onions and some sesame seeds. Voila. All right, you can have this chopsticks or a fork. Now, chopsticks hot. I didn't wait long. I didn't wait long enough. It's sweet, but it has this kick. Take a little bit of rice. I bet if you eat this a little later, because now after a while you can feel the heat coming up. So you can lighten up on the sriracha sauce, or sriracha, or add more if you want it spicier. But this is really, really good. So I hope you enjoyed this, my new format. Let me know what you think. I'll go back and forth, but a lot of times I think people want to see exactly what I'm doing, but sometimes they want to see me. I hope you subscribe. Had some fun today. Enjoy some wine with me. Please make this and let me know what you think. It's not that hard. So until next time, in Josie's Fun Kitchen, have a great day and cheers.